Hi, I'm dear friends, this is Blender, and let's do the rain today. Okay, let's delete our cube and add plane, holding S, increasing it a little bit and moving up. And now I'm creating the raindrop, adding mesh, icosphere. Nice raindrop. Let's change it a little bit. Pressing tab to switch to edit mode and selecting the top part of the sphere and holding G, and by using my mouse like the drop higher, and now I'm choosing the only one vertex and doing the same. I holding G and extruding up. I think it's okay. Not necessary to do something else because they will be very small and not necessary to do them smooth or so on. Now I will remove it aside a little bit. And what else? I want to add material to this drop to do it like from glass. So adding material, going to surface, use node surface and choosing glass. Okay, now you can change the color, you can change parameters. I will just decrease a little bit the roughness. Okay, done. Now I'm going to my plane and switching to edit mode, right click of my mouse and click on subdivide. Subdivide to 4 planes and doing the same. I will do it 5 times, for example. Okay, I subdivided, switching to object mode, and I will add the particles. Add particle system, emitter is chosen, it's okay, and now I'm going to render, and render as, I'm changing here to object, and now render as object, and object, I have to choose the object. I'm clicking here and clicking on my drop. Now let us see. So the rain is animated. To do everything more realistic, I will change the scale of the drops and randomness. Yeah, it will be better. Okay, that's it. Thank you.